Hello everybody, Jedi Master Vega here again. And I was gonna take a nap, but my neighbor's mowing his lawn right next to my bedroom and doing some stuff, and knowing my neighbor, he'll be out there for a while, so I'm not going to be able to take a nap. When he's done, I will be headed for Slumberland. But right now, I figure while I'm here and I got my stuff set up, I might as well do a nice review of my Emperor's hand, which I got from my spring, one of my spring giveaway orders, and it's quickly becoming one of my favorite. It's very intricate. There's a lot of detail to it, and it's relatively inexpensive for all the detail that goes into it. It's beautiful. Slightly tricky to change the blade on as compared to other sabers that just have a blade retention screw in an obvious location. This one's quite a bit different. But each one of these screws, you can choose either black or silver on these screws. And each one of these is, individual screws. I think there's 12 that go around here, so you got 24 screws. I'm not sure if you can choose the color of this button. I don't remember. I think it's just black. But with that black button, the black grips, I chose a black non-illuminated AV switch because I got this saber in amethyst, violet amethyst, and I tend to like to get the illuminated AV switch in the same main color as the blade. A couple times I've gotten it in the Flash on Clash color, but I tend to like it best with the main blade color matching, and they don't make a illuminated AV switch in violet, so I went with a non-illuminated switch. But it's got that black accent, these black accents, the black screws, and the black pommel, which you can get in either silver or black. And this is also one of my favorite pommels. It's the lowest profile pommel that ULTRASABERS makes. And I'll be doing a review on my Initiate V5, which I have one of these pommels on, and it makes it extremely compact, which I like. The only thing on the saber which isn't silver or black is the CoverTech wheel, which it comes standard with a gold CoverTech. That's interesting. Adds a little bit of flair to it. But again, yeah, you got 24 screws around here. You got the screws in the switch box, activation box. You got a few decorative screws around here, and then the screws up top at the very tippy top collar around the emitter. You loosen these guys up, and then this little collar comes off. And then here you have your blade retention screw. Took me a while to find that. I'm loosening everything else up. I'm looking underneath the button. I'm twisting this guy. Maybe there's a video on the ULTRASABERS website that shows how to do that. I didn't see it. But then again, I didn't look for it. So it's possible that I just didn't do my due diligence research on that. But there's that. So then you just line up those holes with the hole underneath. Make sure you don't try to put a screw into your blade retention screw hole. You go right there, line it up with the button. Get your screw back in there. Tighten it down loose. Don't kill it. Just snug it up. When you go to the other side and put this guy in, they kind of pull on each other. So you just snug them, and he's good to go. And that is the Emperor's hand. It's very nice. These grips here are the same material. I can't even tell if that's like a composite or plastic. At first I thought it was aluminum, but now I thought maybe they were hard plastic. Either way, it's the same material that's on the hand grips of the Graflex And I believe the chosen one, which I don't have yet, I have one on the way. But it's a very beautiful saber. And I have this one in violet amethyst with a very unique hot pink flash on clash. And I think that looks pretty good. A buddy of mine down the street had a Electrum Wind with the violet amethyst and a hot pink flash on clash, and I thought that looked pretty sweet. So I ordered mine this way. And that's it, guys. There's the Emperor's hand. One final look.